Understanding, feel hurt, a guide to emotional expressions in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that carries a lot of emotional weight: feel hurt. This expression is widely used, but what does it truly mean? And how can we use it correctly in different contexts? Let's explore this together and add another valuable phrase to your English language toolkit. Feel hurt is a phrase that describes an emotional response to something that causes emotional pain or distress. It's important to note that this phrase is about internal feelings, not physical pain. When someone says they feel hurt, they are often expressing that they are emotionally wounded, possibly due to someone's actions, words, or even a situation. Subsection 2.1. Personal relationships. In personal relationships, feel hurt is often used when someone's actions or words have caused emotional pain. For example, I felt hurt when you forgot my birthday. This indicates a sense of sadness or emotional pain due to perceived neglect or oversight. Subsection 2.2. Professional settings. In a professional context, this phrase might be used more cautiously. For instance, I felt hurt by the feedback from my manager. Here, it signifies a sense of emotional distress caused by professional criticism or appraisal. Subsection 2.3. Social interactions. In social scenarios, saying, "I felt hurt when they didn't invite me to the party," reflects feelings of rejection or exclusion. It's a way of expressing that someone's actions in a social setting have caused emotional discomfort or pain. When expressing that you feel hurt, it's often accompanied by an explanation of why. This helps the listener understand your perspective and the cause of your emotional pain. For example, "I feel hurt because I thought our friendship meant more to you." When someone tells you they feel hurt, it's crucial to respond with empathy and understanding. Acknowledge their feelings with responses like, "I understand why that made you feel hurt," or, "I'm sorry my actions made you feel that way." Understanding the phrase, "feel hurt," is key to comprehending and expressing complex emotional states in English. Whether in personal, professional, or social contexts, recognizing and appropriately responding to this expression can greatly enhance your communication skills. We hope this video helps you navigate these emotional nuances more effectively in your English conversations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.